This is from Kyrgyzstan, customer site in Jalalabad. Let's take a look at our machine. The machine is currently in good working order. Here is our filling machine. Here is our labeling machine. Here is the inkjet printer. Here are our labels. Here is our membrane charter machine. Here is our complete production line. There are also 10-liter buckets of water produced here. Let's take a look next. Production in another workshop. This workshop is their K4 workshop. This is a newly installed machine. Has been producing. Since the wind delivery here has not arrived at the scene yet. Now you can only put it manually. This is their air compressor room. The air compressor is also working well. Here's their new air compressor. It's only been running for 99 hours in total. Here's their big chiller for filling. Still welding. And here's their new transformer. Here's another air compressor. Cumulative operation 43 hours. The factory is under construction. Since the bottle blown here has no place to put it. So, the machine stops. This is our chiller. Our dumper. The bottle blows too much. No place to put it. Bottles are bottles. Now we have to wait for the wind here. Connect the blow molding machine and the filling machine together. There is no wind now. The latter is also being debugged.